So yesterday, all of my time lapses and the footage I got from doing the installation of the sound deadening on the doors was corrupt. So, and I also washed my front seats. They were pretty dirty. These are the ones I got out of the junkyard. I used my drill bit scrubbers that I have on video 3, and I just sprayed them with the hose a little bit, put a bunch of cleaner on them, scrubbed them for a while, and now this is day 2 soaking in the sun. Hopefully they'll be able to be dry enough, and so far they smell a lot better and they're a lot cleaner. So on to some more install. Here you go, we got the door all covered up. I used duct tape to cover this panel just to save some sound deadening material. As you can see in here, we have some more material, kill mat in there, and if you look all the way down, let's see if I can focus or get the, I have it all the way down the door. It has made a big difference in the deadening effect, and there's 2 plies on the inside. I also put a second ply all the way over the transmission tunnel and drive shaft tunnel. And then I also pretty much put kill mat as every square inch I could. And there are 3 layers thick right there, so it should be a noticeable difference. The audible click when you shut the door even sounds different. Now I'm going to start installing the 6x8 Kicker CS speakers. They've been rocking for literally like 8 years. Love these things. Just gonna install them in the rear, install them in the front. This is the same process I used to clean all of the interior parts. Washed it with a soapy brush, followed up by Totally Awesome, and then hit it with a hose. It all came out very clean. Final time I'm gonna put the carpet in. I just have my amp wire just routed up here. I shoved away all my speaker wires because when I get my amp, I will rewire my sub and have a video on that. Now it's just time to install the carpet. So I've skipped a lot of cleaning videos. My phone was not working that well, but all of the trim pieces were basically this dirty from the truck I got them out of. quick example. Pretty grody, a lot of crud. I have them laid out. All of them have been hand washed and cleaned with Totally Awesome and some carpet cleaner. And then I'll coat them with the Armor All. When it comes to the Ford Explorer center console, there's going to be an electric fan motor down here. As you can see, I am taking all of this out. So I had to take the inner cubby out, and there'll be 3 screws here and then 3 right here, and that will pull out. And you'll undo these 2 tabs and these 2 tabs. You can undo these 2. I'm going to try not to, but we'll see. And it should just drop right out, and I can get rid of all of this wiring, and I'll be able to run my own wiring through into my own little switch panel back here that I'll have for my accessories, so they're away from the driver area. Make it look a little more OEM. All of the interior is clean, ready to install. It's getting dark. I'm gonna tie this one up. Tomorrow we should have all the interior installed. On the 15th, I'll have some Boss amp installed, so I'll at least be able to do decibel testing while driving and listening to music inside and outside of the cab to see what the levels were before and after, to see if any of this made any difference at all. 100 square foot of kill mat on top of 5 cans of great stuff foam. This thing should be on a completely different acoustic level. Sevredline out.